In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language in Arc Raiders. We're going to make this quick and clear by doing everything through Steam, since Arc Raiders reads its language setting directly from your Steam preferences for the game. Start by opening the Steam desktop app and signing into your account. Make sure you're logged into the account that has Arc Raiders in the library, and confirm the game isn't currently running in the background. It's best to fully close the game before changing any settings so they apply cleanly on the next launch. Once Steam is open, head to your library. In the list of games on the left, click Arc Raiders to open its game page. On that page, look for the small gear icon, usually located near the play button or on the right side of the game's details area. Click that gear icon to open the menu, and then select Properties. This takes you to the Settings panel specifically for Arc Raiders. Inside Properties, you'll land on the General section by default. Here, you'll see a language option. Click the language drop-down and choose the language you want to use in Arc Raiders. The list you see is determined by what the developers support, so if a language doesn't appear, it isn't available for this game yet. After you select your language, Steam may start downloading language files in the background. Keep an eye on your downloads. If you see a small update begin, let it finish before launching the game. This ensures all menus, subtitles, and any supported audio tracks switch over properly. When the download is complete, go ahead and launch Arc Raiders from your library. The game should now display in the language you selected. If you don't see the change right away, close the game, give Steam a moment, and try launching again. In rare cases, restarting the Steam app helps the new language setting take effect. You can repeat these same steps anytime to switch back or try a different language. A couple of quick tips to keep in mind. Changing the language in Steam affects this game only, not your entire Steam client. Also, some languages might offer full text and audio, while others may provide text and subtitles only. That's normal and depends on what the developers included. And that's it. By using the gear icon, opening Properties, and selecting your preferred language under General, you can change the language in Arc Raiders quickly and reliably. Thanks for watching, and enjoy playing in the language that works best for you.